In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import RAW files into Lightroom Classic. If you're working with photography, you know how important it is to manage and edit RAW files effectively, and Lightroom Classic is a powerful tool for that. Let's dive into the process to ensure you can navigate it with ease. First things first, you'll want to connect your camera or memory card reader to your computer. Alternatively, if you've already transferred the files to a specific folder on your drive, go ahead and navigate to that location where your RAW files are stored. Now, open up Lightroom Classic and head over to the Library module. This is your starting point for importing images and is specifically designed for organizing your photo library. Once you're there, look for the Import button. You can also choose the File menu, then select Import Photos and Video from the drop-down options, whichever you're more comfortable with. Upon doing this, the Import dialog will pop up. Imagine this window as a central hub where you'll manage how and where you bring your photos into Lightroom. On the left-hand side, you'll see a section labeled Source. This is where you'll select the folder, card, or device containing your RAW files. Browse through to find the exact location of your files and click to select it. Moving to the center panel, you'll notice thumbnails of your images appearing. Here, you can choose which specific files you want to import. Take your time to select the ones you really need so that your library remains organized and clutter-free. Above these thumbnails, you'll see some options for the import action. Copy as DNG, move, or add. If you're importing from a camera card, you'll typically want to choose either copy or copy as DNG. Choosing copy is straightforward and ensures that the original RAW files are duplicated from your card to your designated storage. If you opt for copy as DNG, Lightroom will convert these files to Adobe's DNG format during import, which is quite useful if you prefer to work with DNG files. Now, let's focus on the right panel. This is where you finalize the destination and make choices around file handling. First, decide where you want these files to be stored by setting your destination folder. Then explore the options under File Handling, File Renaming, and Apply during import. This is where you can make selections about the kind of previews you want to create, whether to generate smart previews, and how to handle duplicate files. If renaming files is something you prefer upon import, you'll find that option under File Renaming, though it's entirely optional. For those wanting to apply certain adjustments right away, the Apply During Import section lets you apply develop presets, metadata, or keywords to your images as they're imported. Lastly, once you've tailored everything to your workflow and preferences, go ahead and click Import. Lightroom will get to work copying or importing your RAW files into its catalog and storing them in the destination folder you've specified. And there you have it. You're now equipped to seamlessly import RAW files into Lightroom Classic, ready to organize and edit with proficiency.